if the situation allows us to interact with the people over there. We will take part in the computer donation project of a parent club and will donate laptops to a needy school. We will collect old books and donate to a school during the year. I believe with the help of the office bearers and other annex of our club, we should bring about a change and do better things. I would like to conclude by saying thank you for this opportunity and thanks to everyone for attending this meeting. My thanks to my parents and my brothers for their support. I assure you that I do my best as a president and continue to be a budding member and participate in other social events and projects. Thank you all.
Thank you, Fahim. I would like to introduce the ANIT committee here for the year 2021. ANIT Kavya Rajan Babu as secretary. ANIT Venu Arvind Angaraj as treasurer. ANIT Vinaya Sujesh as the additional community service director. And ANIT Sahana Shrikant as the community service director. Let's give a big round of applause to the leaders for the year 2021, and I hope this year is filled with fun events.
I would like to call upon ANIT Venu Arvind Arangarajan to introduce our chief guest.
Rotarian SM Balaji is the district ANIT chairman for the year 2020-21. He is a chemical engineer from Annamalai University and masters in biotechnology from Anna University. He runs his family business, the India Metal Works, which manufactures commercial kitchen equipment used in hotels, restaurants, hostels, and hospitals. He also imports commercial kitchen equipment under the brand name Prego. He joined Rotary Club of Guindy in the year 2005 and was its president in the year 2012-13. He was also the managing trustee of Rotary Guindy Trust from the year 2017 to 2020. He has held several positions in the district, including associate chairman membership in the year 2013-14, assistant governor in the year 2014-15, district Rotaract chairman 2015-16, district Interact chairman 2016-17, president-elect training seminar chairman 2017-18, and district ANIT chairman for the year 2020-21. He is married to Anne Aishwarya and they have two school-going children, Saindavi and Suhasna. A prolific speaker, Tamil enthusiast, he is also the alumnus of Dufton Kauri School, Chennai, and St. Mary's School, Armenian Street, Chennai. We will now hear from our chief guest, Rotarian SM Balaji. Sir, the screen is all yours.
Thank you, ANIT Venu Arvind, for that wonderful introduction. The newly installed president of this wonderful club, ANIT Fahim Abdeen, Secretary ANIT Kavya, President of the Illustriate Rotary Club of Madras South, Rotarian Sujesh, Secretary R. Balachandar, my good friend PDG Rotarian Nagoji, the mentor for District ANITS Committee, my good friend Rotarian Asha, Rotarians of this lovely club, ANS, and invited guests. A very good morning to you all. First of all, my congratulations to the 1920 team, ably led by ANIT Divya Balaji. I would confidently say that these projects are something which many Rotary clubs also have to imbibe into their projects. Whatever the avenue of services which Rotary recommends, all these avenues of services have been covered. Take your heritage walk or your movie night that covers under club service. Then we had Annadanam. Then we had Diwali, which is again club service, and book bank collection and donation that comes under community service development. Then we had polio. Then we had World Cleaning Day. international service projects, vocational in terms of mobile photography, and your ANET attending Manila. The present, all these avenues have been neatly, very well covered. Kudos to the entire team, Divya Balaji and the entire team of 1920. The presentation, I don't know who has done it. It is one word: professional. And if this is going to be the professionalism exhibited by the ANETs, I'm sure we are ready in terms of a brighter future for the community which we are going to live in. In every aspect, I could see that compassion and professionalism. And thank you so much for delivering, because you have made, as you have become an example, Team 1920, for the generations to come. I wish this presentation is being shared to lot many ANETs or lot many members in our district. Probably post meeting, I will request Divya Balaji to share this to me, so that to Manas Reddy, so that he could take it up to the entire district. My best wishes once again to ANET, Fahim Abdin, Secretary Kavya, and the entire team who have been inducted 2021 now. The plans are very crisp and to the point, and you're very well being very practical in your approach. I wish you all the best, and our DAR Manas Reddy is here with us. He has a whole lot of programs being planned for this year. Probably after this, he might make an announcement for 1 or 2 minutes as to what are the plans we are doing it. Dear friends, the moment I had taken up as the district ANETs chair, one thing which I always felt was we should be gifting something to our children, to our ANETs, which they treasure it for life. And that is what the concept came, was the Thirukkural. Every week we have a Thirukkural class for all our ANETs called Agaram Mudala. So they teach Thirukkural and Atichudi. By end of the year, we have 50 sessions with Rotarian Girija Raghavan. And at the end of the year, you will be completely familiar with 100 Thirukkurals and complete Atichudi. So this, I feel, is a very big gift to the ANETs. And we also have public speaking courses happening and yoga, Surya Namaskar happening. Apart from this, we also have a mega level, the first ever time in our district, assembly for the ANETs. It's called Vallamai Tharayo. As the saying goes, this is from Bharatiya's wonderful poem. Nallador Veenai Seideen, Adai Nalam Keda Purudiyil Erivadundo, Solladi Sivashakti, Yenai Sudarmigu Arivudan Padaithu Vittai, Vallamai Tharayo, in the Manudar Payanura Valvadakke. So Vallamai Tharayo is power through knowledge. And that is going to have an excellent array of speakers talking on different topics. We'll have fun-filled activities and everything coming up in the programs for Vallamai Tharayu. This, when Akansha started her talk, she was mentioning, alone we can do little, together we can do more. And that's the concept this year for the ANETs Council we have had, stronger together, inspired again from our Bharatiya's Otrumai Valimayam, Pudiya Atichudi, Otrumai Valimayam. And I have my best wishes, and thank you Madras South for giving us 2 wonderful ANETs for the council. Akansha, as I told on a lighter sense, but I mean it, her chair, what she's sitting alone is not nice. She herself as a chair is doing a wonderful job. She's the program chair in our district in terms of all these programs. It is her style and execution which is making all this very successful. And also I would like to wish Joseph Moses, ANET Joseph Moses, who's also part of the district ANET council. Coming to South Club, my mentor for district ANETs committee, Asha Marina, she has set up a very high benchmark in terms of ANETs, and it is a Herculean task. It is an Herculean task definitely for me to achieve that. But definitely Asha being my mentor or our mentor, I'm sure this will be easy with all her help, and it will be possible. And I hope to deliver from the district side a wonderful Rotary year. Hi, Asha. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you, Bala.
Yeah. Then we have PDG Nagoji, my very good friend, who gave me the opportunity to work as the Interact Chair, District Interact Chair when he was the governor. And I always, hi Nagoji, good morning. I always love his storytelling. Excellent way of storytelling he has. He could captivate any kind of audience, whether it's from 5 years or 80 years. He is a person so friendly with anyone. It's a pleasure, Nagoji, being here and also to know you. Very good. And we also have our very good friends, my co-president, Rotarian Sheshu, and Rotarian Mukund, who's my co-district officials. Dear friends, Annets, all of us would have heard this story of this hare and a tortoise. The very first time, the hare and the tortoise decided to have a race. The tortoise, all of us know that the tortoise goes steadily and wins the race, whereas the hare sleeps in between and loses the race. The moral of the story was that you can be more successful by doing things slowly, steadily, than by acting quickly and carelessly. Overconfidence also marks the downfall of a player, even when he is apparently more competent than his opponents. So what happens is next, the hare realizing its mistake, it calls the tortoise and says, here, come, let's go have a race once again. Now, this time, the hare realizes, does one failure that mean that you're not good? So it realizes its failure and it's very conscious. It does not underestimate the power of the tortoise. It runs up to the finish line and it wins the race. So what is the moral of this story is, does one failure mean that you're not good? Of course not, especially when you deal with it maturely and understand the reasons for a bad performance on a single occasion. The hare understood his folly and challenged the tortoise to another contest. This time, he did not think low of his opponent, but remained alert and energetic all through the race, and it won it. So being consistent alone is not enough. You have to be also having the intelligence and the skill sets to win a race. So next, the race does not end here. Now the tortoise realizing that it has to work on a different playground. It says to the hare, it says, I will decide the competing ground where the race has to be held. Let's have another race. So the hare as usual was confident and said, okay, wherever you want, we'll have it, thinking that it will always win the race. So the day came, the race started. The hare went out very fast. The moment it hit a river, the tortoise slowly caught up with it, got inside the river, came to the winning point. So that is what it says here. Now, can we say that the hare is better than the tortoise? The tortoise, in self-pity, thinking how he can be as fast as the hare? No, he did not have a self-pity. The tortoise realized that his strengths are different from those of the hare, and that does not make him any less competent than the hare. Hence, the tortoise challenged again this hare, and it had a different track. Recognizing one's own strength is the key to success, as it never helps to compare oneself with others. We are all unique characters. Everybody has different things, unique things in us. And I think so we should work on our strengths. So after the third race, the hare and the tortoise become very good friends. And what they say is, seeing the tortoise win the race with his cleverness, the hare was impressed and asked the tortoise to be his friend. They decided and they ran together. Ran together wherever it's possible. The initial part of it, the hare lifted the tortoise on his back and ran fast till the river. And once the river came, the tortoise had the hare on its back and it swam the river with ease. Both of them won the race completion at a very short time. This is what matters, a stupendous team effort, and the maturity to pool in the resources led to this team victory for the hare and the tortoise. Dear friends, that's what happens now. We are in an era wherein I could see a lot of parents, some of them saying, my children are totally independent to take decisions or whatever it is. And there are some parents who feel that they were not able to become someone. They were not able to become a Sachin Tendulkar. They were not able to become a A.R. Rahman. They pressurize something to their children. I could see a lot of mummies in two-wheelers in the afternoon sessions between 3 to 5, having a bat, cricket bat, or a keyboard, or a badminton bat, deploying them to different locations for the classes. And kudos to all the mothers. But there is a balance required. Neither leaving the children saying that, no, it's they are independent totally. They can take a decision. Rather, trusting our ideas to them. On the contrary, both could be avoided. And there's something called interdependency. சார்ந்து சேர்ந்து வளருது. So that is what in Tamil it means, interdependency. I'm sure this interdependency will take us to a longer and a greater height. And once again, my best wishes to Annette Fahim, Secretary Kavya, and the entire team of Annettes of Rotary Club of Madras South, and Magdum for taking the pain in inviting me. He's been continuously for the last 1 week, continuously on the follow-up. Balaji, this is the time, whether it's suitable for you. This is the invite format, whether it's okay. And every step, I know for South, because I've been coming or watching South, it's a legendary club, and I consider it an honor and privilege to be invited here as the chief guest here. Because that is the kind of people in South, all great intellectual team South has. And I'm very, very glad that I'm part of this on this Sunday morning. Dear Annettes, most of us miss out on life's big prizes, the Pulitzer, the Nobel, the Oscars, the Grammy, but we are all eligible for life's small pleasures. A pat on the back, a kiss behind the ear, a 4-pound bass, a full moon, an empty parking space, a crackling fire, a great meal, a glorious sunset, hot soup, a cold coffee. Don't fret about copying life's grand rewards. Enjoy its tiny delights. There are plenty for all of us. Let's be stronger together while Rotary opens opportunities. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Kalpakaran
and Akshara. Kalpakaran and Akshara, can I interrupt for a minute with your permission?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Rotarian Balaji, I'm sorry I had failed to acknowledge the presence of district officials here. And we have another connect, which I just realized when you were speaking and when you were being introduced. You are a cousin of Jagannathan, right? Rotarian Balaji, can you unmute?
Yeah.
You're a cousin of Jagannathan?
From Jagannathan, from?
He's now in Coimbatore.
Yeah. That's right. Yeah.
All right. We are almost like blood brothers. We are classmates.
Oh, is it? You're from St. Mary's?
Pardon me?
You're from St. Mary's?
No, we didn't, Bharat.
Bharat, okay.
Yeah, Bharat. All right. Okay, we'll come to that a bit later. Okay, the show can
very nice. Small world, yeah.
Thank you, sir, for those kind words. Your words really motivate and aspire us to achieve more. We will assure you that we will participate in all events conducted by the district and our parent club, and will show full involvement. We Annettes truly appreciate the efforts of the Rotary Club to impart our great culture in the form of Tirukural, Aathichudi and Yoga, and we will make sure to involve ourselves in each and every event conducted. We will also keep in mind the values you have imparted and successfully try to implement them in our day-to-day life. Thank you, sir.
Sure. Thank you.
You have to unmute, please.
Akansha, are you?
Oh, sorry. Okay, now I would like to invite Annette Manas Reddy, the district Annettes representative, to offer the felicitation.
Thank you, Akansha. A very good morning to President Rotarian A. N. Jujesh sir, Rotarian Secretary Rotarian Balachandra sir, DAC Chairman S.M. Balaji sir, district officials, Rotarians, and Annette. I'm happy to be part of the installation of Annette Club of Madras South. I would like to congratulate Annette Fahim Abdeen as a president and his board and his Annette board for this. I'm sure under the leadership of this dynamic and enthusiastic president, Annette Club of Madras South will be taken to new heights. Me and my team, the District Annettes Council, are ready to support Annette Fahim and his team in all their projects and endeavors in the future, and also to give them all a larger platform to exhibit their skills and talents. I'm very happy that Annettes of Madras South could also be a part of the council this year. I can see Akansha and Joseph here joining us from Madras South. Our team in DAC is stronger together, wherein all our Annettes across our district are there to support each other for all our growth as a better person and as a better Annette. The district and its council has planned out various events and workshops such as Avira Mudala, Tirukural classes by Rotarian Girja Raghavan, Let's Speak, public speaking sessions by Rotarian PDC Olivan, and also Surya Namaskar Yoga started last week by Ms. Sweta Prabhudas. Our signature event for this year, Vallamai Tarayo, is one of a kind orientation event for all the ANITs across the district to train them and extend our support in any way possible for all their activities. These are just a few events and workshops to start off with this year. We're looking forward to an engaging participation by ANIT President Fahim and his team of ANITs throughout this year in all our activities. Please be free to rely on us for any support. Thank you.
Thank you, Manas. It's been a great pleasure to having you here. Guys, he is our newly elected president and of the DAC, and it's been a pleasure working with him personally. Now, I would like to call upon the most favorite Rotarian for all the ANITs of District South, Rotarian Mukund Uncle. Please, could you share a few words?
Thank you, Akansha. I'd like to first congratulate Divya on her year and her team. I would like to say what a fantastic presentation this has been. And I wish Fahim and his team all the best. The three things which are going on here, most Rotary clubs cannot achieve. So beautifully done. All the best to all of you. I'll take this opportunity to also speak a few words about South's mega project this year under President Sujeesh. You know, the pandemic affected everybody, and worst of all, the underprivileged, street vendors, small MSMEs, and migrant workers. So we are trying to help the street vendors revive. That's our project. It's called Project Revive. We will be helping them in their business to get back to their feet with financial support. So South would like the help of your ANITs club to achieve this. I will ask Rotarian Magdoom to send you all the brief, the PPT. If there's any doubts, please get back to either him or to me, and let's take this forward. I want your total involvement, and I'm expecting at least 50 street vendors to be listed by you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle. I'm sure all of us are really excited to working with you, and I would personally love to be a part of it. I would now like to share the spotlight to ANIT Kavya Rajan Babu for the secretary announcement.
Thank you. So good morning to all Rotarians, ANTs and ANITs who have graced this occasion today. I would like to extend my special thanks to Magdoom Uncle and Sujeesh Uncle for giving me an opportunity as ANIT Secretary of Rotary Club of Madras South. I would like to thank Rotarian Balaji, Chairman of District ANITs Council, and ANIT Manas Reddy, District ANITs Representative, for initiatives like Let's Talk, a professional training course on public speaking, weekend yoga sessions, and Tirukural sessions. I am personally enjoying the Tirukural session with my sister, taken by Girija Amma. We look forward for many such programs, sir. Due to Corona situation, as we cannot meet in person, we are planning to have e-meetings with our ANITs once a month. On 16th August, we will have a virtual gathering of ANITs on the theme World this month. I request all ANITs to participate and enjoy the session. Thank you once again for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Kavya. I would request ANIT Vinaya Sujeesh to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you. Good morning to all of you, respected ladies and gentlemen. As we come to the end of this year's installation of President and Office Bearers of the ANITs Club, on behalf of the Rotary Club of Madras South ANITs Club, it gives me immense pleasure to deliver the word of thanks. First and foremost, I would like to thank our chief guest, Rotarian S.M. Balaji, Chairman of ANITs Club of District 3232, for taking the time to bless us with his presence. I thank Rotary Club of Madras South for giving us the platform and guiding us. And a special thanks to Rotarian Magdoom for being a pillar of support and encouraging us. I thank all participants of the event, as the event would not have been successful if not for your encouragement and support. Thank you.
Thank you. I would now call upon our newly elected president, Fahim, to adjourn the meeting.
The meeting of Annex Club of Madras South is now adjourned.
Let's now open the interactive session with our chief guest.
Yeah. In fact, I think the next 15 minutes, Annex, we will spend the time inviting our chief guest. We can ask him questions that he could answer. I mean, as I mentioned to you, he is very articulate and very knowledgeable. Maybe I will start with the first question, Balaji. Then others might have a few questions in the next round.
Yeah.
Annex Club is another commitment on time from Annex. Okay, they have school, they have their own other activities. How should they prioritize the time? Can you tell them? Maybe you can also give them examples in Tamil as well. I don't mind. I think interactive session it can be in Tamil, English, and when I think our Annex here, most of us can. I think they all understand, right? Ellathukkum Tamil is okay, so we can tell us how should they prioritize the time. But now too much time, but I mean so little time for the things they want to do. So can you just share how should they prioritize the time?
Yeah, I would like first from their side itself they could answer. I would like Manas to first answer this, and probably I'll add up into this. Manas, why don't you just because you being an example, he's giving so much of time now.
Yeah.
How are you managing your time?
Yeah, I understand that for everyone, for all the Annex, that their career and education is obviously the priority, and then comes the Rotary work. But at the same time, the amount of exposure you get when you're part of a Rotary team, the amount of exposure when you meet people, when you meet a lot of Rotarians, the contacts you can develop, it helps you on a longer run. It helps you on a longer run to develop as a better person and to develop as a better Rotarian, and to help improve the community around you. So I feel I do have my online classes happening every day, like for 4-5 hours, and have my tests, assignments, college going on. But at the same time, I relax when I'm doing my Rotary work. When you have a team working with you, you tend to relax a bit while doing the Rotary work and meeting people, engaging with different Annex. In the district, I have Annex from around 50-60 clubs representing their clubs in the council. So when I meet everyone, it's a new experience meeting every person every day, and yeah, that's pretty much that answer.
Yeah, very good, very well said, Manas. But to add to what Manas told is, first is, yes, of course, our academics come in place, our professions come in place for all our Annex. Third is this council. The moment when you're saying for Annex activity, it's not something, it's a separate one. What we are planning is, it has to go alongside, it has to be more co-curricular than extracurricular. The activities plan, the first and foremost thing is, it makes us as a better person. And that is very, very important. And I don't see to that how Tirukkural and our academics can be different. These are life lessons. So whatever, and similarly, public speaking, the kind of confidence it could give to us, that's very important. And these kind of things actually, as Manas very well said, relaxes us, connects with people. And whatever friendships we develop now at this age, like now how our President Sujesh was mentioning that about Jagan, my cousin, right from college days, that friendship. So these kind of relationships and friendship for life is got at this age. And that keeps going on. My cousin, even though, he's my cousin more, we all studied in the same school. So we still have that relationship going on, even after so many years of age. So that matters a lot. Like college, like school, probably Annex, also this council or this district or our club Annex, we will be getting friends for our life. I think so. This is something which should not be missed out. Any questions, please be open, fair, anything, not only Annex, you can ask me anything. Whatever little I could know, I'll share it with you all.
Next one, who would like to go? Indra?
I would like to interact with Divya, past president. She's there around.
Yes, and then hi.
Hi, Divya. You did a wonderful work, Divya. I mean,
Thank you.
something great.
Thank you so much, Uncle.
Yeah, very nice, Divya. Very nice. Good. So, any questions, Divya, from you or someone else from your team?
Uncle, I would like to ask Manas to like share a little bit more information on what we have planned for this year, so that the rest of the club will know a little more about the calendar, about the phase 1 and phase 2. If you could share a little more information to all of us.
Yeah.
Manas, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Akansha, on that. So this year we are splitting it into two halves. That is the first innings and the second innings. So the first innings is majorly the period what we'll be spending in lockdown. I mean, in quarantine, and it will be from July to December. And the reason why we are doing this as a lockdown, we are calling it as a lockdown period, is we didn't want, even after the lockdown is lifted, we didn't want to compromise on the safety and of the ANITs and their family members when they're engaging in the activities. So majority of the activities and events happening this will be virtual. So we started off with our workshops, that is our Tirukkural classes on a weekend basis, that is for 50 sessions, where ANITs will be taught Tirukkural and Aathichudi by Rotarian Girija Raghavanamma. And also we have yoga sessions every Sunday morning, which is hosted by a very professional yoga trainer, I would say, Ms. Shweta Prabhudas. And also Let's Speak, that's a public speaking classes that's happening every weekend for ANITs up from the age of 18 to 25. So that is hosted by again our PDG Olivanan sir. This is a 10 sessions classes. So what we are aiming is to to develop the overall personality of an ANIT in this lockdown period, and to have them occupied. A lot of them might not know what to do during this lockdown period. I mean, everyone has a colleges, schools, classes, and everything. But we wanted to give them an overall development as an ANIT. So public speaking is something that will help you on a longer run. When you become an entrepreneur, or when you work in a corporate, or when you become a big person in the future. I mean, it helps you to take up there, to go to those levels. And so with regards to the workshops, that's what we've already started. We'll also be having workshops for younger, and it's like drawing, painting, storytelling. These are just to have the younger ANITs, to have them interacted and have them engaged. We're also planning for single session workshops. It's on like matters like table etiquette and all these, just to develop an overall personality of that. This is with regards to the workshops. The workshops will be happening for the whole year, from first innings and the second innings. The workshops will be completely virtual. Moving on, apart from workshops, we'll be having our Valamai Tarayo, which is a district assembly orientation event, for all the ANITs across the district, to help them and support them in any way how DAC can, and to guide them to become a better ANIT of this. Yeah, a lot of them might not know about what an ANIT club is, what they do. So we as a district ANITs council have taken up this event with support of Balaji uncle and Divya ma'am, obviously, to do this event, to train all the ANITs across the district, to help and support them in any way possible for their year-long endeavors and projects. And followed by that, I think in the we will be having a few projects this first innings. In the lockdown, they'll be majorly virtual. In the second innings, we'll be having our exclusive ANITs conference. It'll be an exclusive ANITs conference, not like the district conference. It'll be separately for the ANITs conference. And also we planned for a carnival. So ANITs conference and a carnival, it's completely exclusive for ANITs. And we'll also be having outstation trips, Raila visit Raila to a nearby hill station for a day or two, and also regular weekend meetings, like we'll be having cycling meets or breakfast meets, engaging meets, trip to the museums, archaeological sites, just to let people know what's around our city, and to have them engulfed in all these things. I mean, a lot of them know what's there in United States or what's there in Europe, but a lot of the ANITs might not know what is there in your own city, what is the beauty of the city you're missing, and what you're missing out in the rest of the country. So just wanted to bring that up also to everyone. So I think I pretty much briefed up our overall plan for this year. We'll be having more activities also. We'll keep every club posted and whenever we are having those.
Yes, thank you, Manas. And about the school with the classes, we are trying to make the classes, like many of our parents have even been telling that Saturday they're having college and school classes. So if we could shift the public speaking here and there, and that is also in the work. So making it as comfortable for the ANETs possible. We are trying to take it in the evenings, like if the morning they are having school, evening they can do your this. And today's public speaking and yoga class was a big success. Yesterday also we started off with the first proper session of Tirukkural. So we are trying to take in the ANETs, like ANETs have been messaging me and Arul Maral ma'am saying that this timing is not a very appropriate time, can be shifted, and we are talking with Olivaran sir if he can give some other time. So we are trying to make it as comfortable for the ANETs as possible. We're working on it.
Very nice, Akansha. Very nice. How many people were there, Akansha, for public speaking today?
Public speaking, almost 30 people were there, sir, today.
Oh, that's lovely. But
yes,
only, in fact, asked for only for 25. Now
yes, sir. But and sir, Olivaran sir asked only between 18 to 25. But we have a lot of students who are there between the ages of 12 to 18 also, who really want to learn, so that when school opens, they can do these essay competitions that take part in school. So they wanted to be there. So a lot of students between 12 to 18 are also there, uncle.
Wow, wow, wow.
Yes.
And how many people were there for yoga today?
Today we were 5, uncle.
Okay.
Yes, we were 5.
Yeah, probably yoga we need to work on.
Yes, uncle. I think it's
just take
because
a good message to people. Yeah.
Yes, uncle. I will try to get in as much as people possible.
Sure. Very nice.
A couple of ANETs have questions to our chief guest. I think
yeah, please.
Indra, Indra, are you online?
Indra?
What inspired you to come to Rotary Club, sir?
Ah, lovely question, ma. It so happened. Indra, what do you study, by the way? Which school? And let me know about you.
Vedanta Academy, sir.
Huh?
Vedanta Academy.
Vedanta Academy. And what class are you studying?
6th standard.
6th standard. Okay. Sure. At times we are also, whether we like it or not, at times we are also being attracted or pushed also into something. That's how it happened to me. When I was back from Bangalore after my working as a professional and as a plant manager to join my own business, family business, I hardly had any friends here in Chennai. All my classmates were abroad, either the USA or UK. So that I could feel some vacuum in Chennai for me. And after that, what happened was one of my friend who also has his business in the same place where we used to have his business. We were all family friends for last 40-50. His father and my father were friends for last 30-40 years. So he came to meet me casually for a different occasion. And then he said, while I was talking to him, then he said, there's some Rotary Club. Why don't you join in this club? I said, Rotary is normally for, people who have accomplished or finished all their responsibilities. It is for them. What am I going to do there? He said, no, just come and check it out. So 3 meetings, they made me attend. And that is when I really liked the friendship, the fellowship, whatever was there. And of course, later on started liking the service projects also. So that is what is my journey into Rotary.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Rotary gives, as Manas had mentioned very clearly, Rotary gives a lot of a platform, gives a lot of opportunities and a platform to exhibit our skills. When Magdum said, Balaji is a good speaker and all this, probably that would have been inside me or I would have developed it. But Rotary is giving me the platform to exhibit that. And one of the cases was my first Interact school when I was the youth service director of my Rotary Club. I had to welcome the audience. Suddenly, I just said this very nice lines when closing my speech. I said, Anbu Malargale, Nambi Irungale. Dharma Mulagile, Irukum Araile, Nale Namade, in the Nalum Namade. Tai Vali Vanda Tangangalella, Overvali Nindri, Nervali Central, Nale Namade, in the Nalum Namade. The Interact chair that time, Rotarian Nana Velan came and just told me, everybody knows this song, but you have used it at the right time, at the right moment, at the right modulation. So that's when somebody tells us, oh, we have these qualities in ourselves. Why don't we improve these qualities? That's what ANET's club also gives you, for that matter. So it improves your personality skill sets. Because a lot of us will be knowing history, geography, maths, everything. But people skills, people handling skills is something which is very, very important.
Sir.
Balaji, I want to congratulate you first of all for that amazing installation yesterday. It was too good, and you started off at the 4th gear already. No, starting with the 1st or 2nd or 3rd gear, straight away at the 4th gear. So congratulations! I'm so happy you're blessed with a good team too. So all of us together, we are going to do a lot of things for the ANETs. Now, this whatever agenda for the year which Manas just spoke, if you could send a PPT or some sort of information to all the clubs, they can diligently follow that and participate too.
Yes, Asha, sure. Thanks, Asha. If I have to go, I have to go in the top gear. I have no other option. If at all, I have to catch up with you for whatever you have done. So,
anytime.
So that's what it is. Thank you, Asha, for being with us. Any questions from ANETs?
No questions? Okay. Maybe, I will
yeah,
just,
thank you.
Maybe something will be interesting to others. Can you share your defining moment in Rotary, like that you enjoyed? Maybe we could take this as the last question for the day. And then,
I didn't get you.
Your most, what do you say, defining moment in Rotary, something that, you remember forever, something which really changed, your perspective, or like some experience from Rotary that, really, I wanted to talk to everybody, can you share something? Which
that's what, when Indra was interacting with me, what inspired you to join Rotary? Yeah. More than that, what I would always put it across, what inspired me to become a Rotarian? I would have been a member initially, just because my friend had asked me to join. But what inspired me to become a Rotarian? This I would have shared in a few forums also, but definitely would like to share it with the ANETs of Rotary Club of Madras South. There was this, immediately after I joined Rotary, 1 year I was not very active. After that, slowly then I started attending meetings. I used to feel out of place. I don't know, for whatever reason, I used to feel very out of place. I was a very shy personality, basically. So used to feel very out of place. I used to sit in the last row in the meeting. And the moment the vote of thanks or something is done, go pick up your plate, have your food. Before anybody could come speak to me, I'll be out of the place. So that's what happened. This president of mine observed and said, let me put him into, let me make him involved into the activities. One fine day, he suddenly said, vote of thanks will be given by Balaji, Rotarian Balaji. I said, did I hear it right? Was it my name? Yes, everybody, that person sitting next to me said, yes, Balaji, it's you. So immediately, I went there, I thanked this person, I thanked this, I thanked everybody. And national anthem was over. Then I felt nice. Okay, good. I've done my job well. Then what happened is the president came during the dinner time and quietly asked me, Balaji, you spoke really well. Oh, is it so? Very nice. I'm feeling it. But the point is, I think so you missed thanking the chief guest for the day, because that's what you're mainly supposed to do for vote of thanks for. So it's a learning curve. Always Rotary has been a learning curve till my current time. Even from ANETs, I've been learning a lot in this last 1 month, 1.5 months, whatever I've been interacting with them. The next important movement for me was when I was umpteen number of times I would have shared this story, but still I would like to share this. I was invited as a guest for a literary function. Tamil Ilakkiya Vilakku வந்து விருந்தினர், சிறப்பு விருந்தினரா அழைச்சிருந்தாங்க. போயிருந்தபோது பள்ளி விழா வந்து அண்ணா நகர்ல நடந்தது. நான் இருக்கிறது அடையார். இங்க இருந்து நாங்க அங்க அவ்வளவு தூரம் போகணும். வீக் டே மார்னிங் ஒரு 9 மணிக்குனா டிராபிக் எப்படி இருக்கும்னு எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும். போனோடனே அங்க ஒரு 200 மாணவர்கள் எல்லாம் உட்கார்ந்து இருந்தாங்க. ஹெட்மிஸ்டர்ஸ் வந்து மைக்கு கொடுத்துட்டு மாணவர்கள் கூட எல்லாம் உரையாடுங்க சார். தமிழ் இலக்கிய வேளானால மாணவர்கள் கூட எல்லாம் உரையாடுங்கன்னாங்க. அங்க உரையாடிட்டு சரி என்னதானே பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு திரும்பி பாக்குறதுக்குள்ள பார்த்தா ஹெட்மிஸ்டர்ஸ் அங்க மைக்கு கொடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டாங்க. பெரிய மேடை, பிக் ஸ்டேஜ், அண்ட் வாஸ் ஸ்டாண்டிங் அலோன் வித் சம் 200 children. I said, சரி இதை கேள்வி தானே கேட்டு போய்ப்போமே அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு, தாமரை பூவின் உயரம் என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்டேன். இது வந்து நமக்கு புரியுதோ புரியலையோ என்ன இந்திரா, யாருமே வந்து ஒரு கிளாஸ்ல நம்ம எல்லா கிளாஸ்லயும் ஒரு மாணவர் இருப்பாரு, போர்டு வந்து பார்த்து கட்ட 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 கட்டன்னு எழுதிக்கிட்டே இருப்பாரு. இன்ஃபேக்ட் சில டைம் என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா மிஸ் கூட முடிச்சிருக்க மாட்டாங்க, இவங்க அதுக்கு மிஸ்ஸுக்கு முன்னாடி எழுதியிருப்பாங்க. அது மாதிரி ஒருத்தங்க இருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, எல்லா கிளாஸ்லயும் ஒருத்தங்க இருப்பாங்க. சோ அது மாதிரி ஒரு கேரக்டர் வந்து எனக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எடுத்தோடனே மாட்டினாரு. சரி தம்பி எந்திரிங்கன்னு. எந்திரிச்சுன்னா போர்டு விரிச்சு பாக்குற மாதிரி என்னையே விரிச்சு பார்த்தாரு. எனக்கு ரொம்ப சங்கடமாயிடுச்சு, என்னடா அதை நம்மள விரிச்சு பார்த்துக்கிட்டே இருக்காருன்னு. சோ என்ன பண்ண, சரி 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 உட்காரு தம்பி உட்காருன்னு. அடுத்த உடனே கேட்டேன், அப்படியே பார்த்தேன். பார்த்தோன்னே யார் மாட்டுவாங்கன்னு பார்த்தேன். எல்லாருமே நம்மளும் வந்து அதை தான் கடந்து வந்திருப்போம். ஒரு வாத்தியார் நம்மள கேள்வி கேட்டாங்கன்னா நம்ம பக்கத்துல இருக்க பிள்ளைய பார்ப்போம், இல்லைன்னா பின்னாடி இருக்க பொண்ணை பார்ப்போம் இல்லையா. சோ இப்படியே கடை நாங்களும் அதுதான் நடந்திருக்கும். மக்தும் படிக்கும் போது அதான் நடந்திருக்கும், நீங்க படிக்கும் போது அதான் நடக்குது இல்லையா. Akansha, you're able to follow me, Akansha? Or you want me to talk in English? Okay, I'll talk in English in that case. So whenever a teacher asks us question, we always look at the child behind us, I mean the student next to us, whether a boy or girl, or the behind, as though the teacher and we don't have a connect at all. That question was not intended to us. So the same way it happened. I was looking at a girl. She immediately started ignoring me. She started looking to the next girl. It went on. Finally, it went and stopped to a boy. He looked at me and said, "Oh, finally," I said, I had an eye contact with him. I said, "Okay, it's made my job easier." Okay, I said, "Get up." Thaamarai poovin uyaram enna? What is the height of the lotus stalk? He immediately said, "2 அடி sir, vechikonga. 2.5 feet. 2 அடி vechikonga sir." I said, "Yen pa 2 அடி, 3 அடி yen வைக்க கூடாது?" வேணா வச்சுக்கோங்க சார். If you want, you keep it. Probably what he would have thought is, this guy's come from Rotary wearing coat and all. Till I answer this question, he is not going to leave me. So I better answer him. So 3 அடி வேணா வச்சுக்கோங்க சார், 3.5 feet. If you want, you keep it. எனக்கு அது வரைக்கும் வேர்க்கல. I didn't sweat till such time going from Ananagar, Adayar to Ananagar, driving 1 hour in the traffic. Nothing happened to me. Hearing this answer, I started sweating. Not because of the coat I was wearing, because of the answer. So now I've started the game. It has to end somewhere. So I cannot leave it. So I said, "Okay, pa, ukkarunga, amidhiya ukkarunga, onnum illa avasramla ukkarunga." Then from the last row, one guy was lifting his hand with confidence. How are Divya Balaji, or Fahim, all of them. The moment he got up, I asked him, "Are you an Interact student?" He said, "Yes, I'm an Interact student." The confidence he was showing, because Interact teaches us leadership skills, and this boy was here with that kind of a confidence. So in the moment he lifted hand, I said, "Okay, go ahead. What is the height of the lotus stalk?" He said that, "Sir, unga kelviye tavaru sir. The question what I've asked posed me is wrong." I said, "Yen kelvi tavara? How dare you tell me?" My ego was pricking me a little bit. "How dare you tell me my question is wrong?" I said, "Ama sir, unga kelviye tavaru sir. தாமரைக்கும் தனிப்பட்டதுல என்னங்க சார் தெரியும்? அதுக்கு தெரிஞ்சதெல்லாம் ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம், தண்ணிக்கு மேல இருக்கணும். தண்ணி 5 அடி இருந்தால் தாமரை பூ 5 அடி, தண்ணீரின் உயரம் 50 அடி இருந்தால் தாமரை பூவின் உயரம் 50 அடி, தண்ணீரின் உயரம் 500 அடி இருந்தால் தாமரை பூவின் உயரம் 500 அடி. I was amazed with the child's answer. He was about to sit. I said, "உட்காராத." உடனே his answer was, "அதான் சொல்லிட்டோம்ல." Said, "You have shattered my ego." I told to myself, "You have shattered my ego." தண்ணீரின் உயரம் தாமரையின் உயரம் ரொம்ப அழகா சொல்லியிருக்க. You're very well told. What is வாழ்க்கையில் உன்னுடைய உயரம் என்ன? What is the height in your life? Probably he might be 10th standard or 11th standard student. He could not move beyond that. Then we have this Rotractors, which are college-based or community-based people. One of the responsibility for them is to mentor the Interactors. So he said, "Sir, can I answer?" I said, "Go ahead." For that he completed. என் எண்ணத்தின் உயரமே என் வாழ்க்கையின் உயரம்னா, எண்ணம் எவ்வளவுக்கு எவ்வளவு உயர்ந்ததாக இருக்கிறதோ அந்த அளவுக்கு நம் வாழ்க்கையும் உயர்ந்து கொண்டே இருக்கும். The thoughts, the more and more stronger your thoughts are, you will continuously become stronger and grow up in your life. And that's what he meant by that. And that's what the lotus stalk teaches us. And that was definitely an inspiring moment for me in Rotary. So whatever we do, give our best.
Thank you. Thank you for the time. Akansha, would you like to close formally?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for being here and present and saying such lovely and inspiring words. Thank you for having us here, sir.
Yeah. So thank you all.
Super, Ma. Thank you. Thank you all, Annette. Thank you, Magdum, once again for inviting.
Sure.
See you all. Bye-bye. Bye.
Pleasure having you, and then see you on next time.
Super. We'll do that. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Can the office bearers stay back? I just wanted to have interaction. Only the office bearers, like, Akansha, Kavya, Divya.
Uncle, just a second. Sorry. Fahim, all the best. I just want to tell you that. And whatever support you need, you can rely on us anytime. Yeah. We have Akansha and Joseph also from the council. So anytime you can reach one. Awesome. Cool, Fahim. All the best. Yeah. And thank you, Uncle. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manas.
Thank you. I'll take over.
So congrats, Fahim. I think you did it well today. All the mandates, I think it was amazing. I really appreciate the kind of confidence you all showed. As I mentioned, no one was looking like doing for the first time. Akansha would have done it like few times, but in others, it was fantastic. I think we had a proper precision. We started on time, and then then what we wanted to achieve, we did. Look forward to more, and so, please motivate and then participate and then wherever possible. So good job done today. Akansha, Kalpa, Vinaya, Divya will miss you. We'll be in Napune, but we'll be Renu, Kavya, Indra, Fahim, Sahana. Good job. And Laya, good dance. And, yeah. So that's it for
Uncle,
now.
I wanted to ask you, which year is this for the Annex Council? From when did Annex Council start in our club, Uncle?
See, 2016, right?
Yeah, Rotary.
Yeah, because I think me, Joe, and what's his name? I forgot his name.
Karthik.
I think we were the first club. I feel like we were the first club because that's what I want to know. When was it started? I think we were
2016 only.
Huh?
It's in 2016 only it started.
16 it started. So we were the first club. So yeah, I wanted to just find that out.
Yeah. It started when Rotary and Siprakash uncle, he was the president.
Yes, uncle.
So we are like 5 years, I think. Fahim is maybe the 5th president.
5th president, correct.
Okay, so good job done, and then let's meet again. And 16th August is the program. Okay, we'll communicate with further details. President and secretary will communicate, and I look forward to see you all again. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.